YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, y'all, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Everybody, you know, whatever it is that you do, make sure that you do what you do and you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters and that's all that counts, is that you did whatever it is that you did at your best. Don't give a damn what nobody got to say about it. You feel me? So with that being said, if y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid, and join your boy in the sneaker dungeon family in the DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and I promise y'all will not be disappointed, y'all. With that being said, let's try to get this video up to 30 likes, because we've been able to do that lately. We've been getting these videos up to 30 likes, and I really appreciate all the love and support that I get from each and every one of y'all, and I love each and every one of y'all that tune into the videos, those that are subbed, those that aren't subbed, those that might sub now, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, today we're going to be doing an unboxing by Smpl.Ind. Y'all already know Tony D2L, Bullet RC, this is their clothing line. So with all that being said, man, let's go ahead, let's crack open this box and let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so we got the box open, y'all. Now let's see what the content is that your boy picked up. You feel me? Alright, y'all, so coming in first, because y'all know how I am, y'all know how I rock, man. I love hats, man. So, and I love dad hats. Y'all know I stay in a Balls dad hat today. You know, y'all see me in polo the last couple days, but it's all good. I rock everything. So, but had to pick up the sample hat, man. This thing is fuego, y'all. I'm talking about extra crispy. I like how they went with the leather strap on the back with that hint of gold. Very, very, very dope, man. I really think this is a very dope, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how I rock. And guess what, man? Look at this. I've never seen this before in a hat, y'all. They have like an actual hard, like tight plastic to keep it from bending. So, you know what? I'm gonna stick that back in there. Very dope hat. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below about this hat. Of course, I think it's fuego. Y'all know how I get down, man. Come on, man. Come on. Let's get into the next. So, y'all, I had to pick up this water bottle. I just thought it was so dope, and I seen like the little basketball in it. I thought it was dope, and what it looks to be, it looks like it's a stress ball. Let's go ahead and get this thing out real quick. It is, man. It's a stress ball. It's a stress ball, and you can remove it. So that's crazy dope, y'all. And yes, you got a little keychain right there. So if you want to attach it to something and rock out with it on like your book bag or something, you know, get you a little Mike Secret stuff, you know what I'm saying? Throw it up in there. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing, but it's like, no. But very dope, y'all. I had to pick this up because, of course, you know, I put stuff in the background. I'm thinking about switching up my background a little bit. So I wanted to add this to the collection in the room, in the sneaker dungeon. Had to put a little sample in this thing, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, now on to the nitty gritty, and that is what kind of other pickups did I pick up? And I picked up some shirts. I picked up 3 different shirts, so we're gonna run through these shirts real quick, y'all. First shirt up, y'all. It's in the bag, of course. You know, I live in Texas, so it's hot here. I wanted to get a jacket, but I'm not gonna lie, it seems like this winter time, I'm a big jacket fanatic, y'all, but it seems like this winter I haven't needed to wear a jacket in this December. It's just crazy. It's insane to me that, you know, it's like 70 degrees out here during the wintertime. So I picked up this sample shirt right here. I thought this shirt was stupid crazy, and on the back of it, it says one of few. So I really think that this is dope. Y'all already know. Y'all can head over to Instagram and y'all gonna see me taking some dope footage, taking some dope photos, should I say, rocking my sample gear. Alright, y'all, so the next shirt right here, I got this shirt to go with my shattered backboards. And you know, you can rock it with the reverse shattered backboards. You can really rock it with anything that you want to rock it with. But I saw the shirt, and when I saw the shirt, I was all like, yo, this right here, definitely shattered backboard material, you know what I'm saying? And it's the same shirt, just in a different colorway, and it says one of few on the back again, and on the front you got that sample. So really, really dope. And you know what, y'all? Didn't show y'all, but the tags, you know, the tags say Smpl.Ind in the inside, and they're actually, these t-shirts are really, really, you know, this that good quality. They put something into it. And if y'all haven't peeped yet, I got the all black sample hat because I want to rock my sample hat with my sample shirt. And I figured, you know, this one I actually could rock with the reverse shatter backboards. I didn't even think of that. I got this shirt actually to rock with something else, but I'm still waiting on that to get in the mail. So when that get in the mail, I'll show y'all that with the shirt, and y'all can tell me how the collab look together. You feel me? So lastly, y'all, I picked up this Sample Globe shirt. I thought this was really, really dope. They actually had a hoodie like this, but like I said, I picked this one up. I thought this was really dope, and I got this to go with a pair of kicks as well, and I will be rocking this. Y'all can head over to, you know, Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, and y'all will see how this all turns out and how I put all the fits together. But this one actually has a different sample tag. This is more a newer shirt, I believe. This is one of the newer shirts. They actually had hoodies. So for this one, and like I said, man, I can wear hoodies out here, but sometimes I just want to rock just, you know, the regular t-shirts when it's hot out here. So got something that I could wear year round, don't matter if it's hot, cold. You know, if you go somewhere, you can take your jacket off and you can, y'all know how I'm getting down. But those are my pickups that I picked up from Sample, y'all. I will link them in the description so that you guys can go head over to Sample and check them out. I'll leave Tony D2 Wild and Bullet RC's YouTube channels as well in the description, because they are the ones that this is their brand. So very dope brand, y'all. Shout out to bro Tony D2 Wild. Shout out to bro Bullet RC. Yo, if you ain't supporting, if you're not supporting each other, then who used to? Then I mean, you know, at the end of the day, we all should be out here supporting each other. So I had to show the support just like I did with my bro T Ward, you know what I'm saying? And I had to pick up some Sample, y'all. So with that being said, y'all, if y'all like what y'all saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid. Y'all, follow your boy on Instagram. I already posted it, but I'll post it again for y'all. Follow your boy at Wiz_retro on Twitter, and I will follow back. Appreciate all the love and support. I'm gonna hit y'all with a little bit of that B-roll, you know what I'm saying, showing y'all a little glimpses of the stuff, you know what I'm saying, laid out. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. You dig? We out. Peace.